Welcome back. In this lecture, we will design the layout for GameActivity. Right click on Layout folder, click New and Layout Resource File. For the file name, write activity_game. For root element, write linear layout. Click OK. Go to code, write tools : context equals to within double quotes dot GameActivity. Click here, press Alt Enter and import XML namespace. Add a linear layout that covers 3/4 of the screen height. Linear layout. For layout_width, write match_parent, and for layout_height, write 0 dp. For layout_weight, write 3. And for padding, write 6 dp. Close the tag. Add a surface view. Surface view. For layout_width, write match parent, and for layout_height, write match parent. And for ID, write within double quotes @+id / surface view. Close the tag. Add another linear layout that covers 1/4 of the screen. Linear layout. For layout_width, match parent, and for layout_height, 0 dp. For layout_weight, write 1. Orientation should be vertical. Gravity should be center. Give a padding bottom of 10 dp. Give padding top of 10 dp. And for background, write @color/black. Next, add the vector assets for top, bottom, left and right navigation. Right click on Drawable, New, Vector Asset, write arrow, click on Clip Art, write arrow, select this one, for the name I am using arrow_left, click Next, Finish. Right click on Drawable folder, click New, Vector Asset, click on the Clip Art, select the next vector asset, click OK. For the name, you can use arrow_right, click Next, click Finish. Again, right click on Drawable folder, click New, Vector Asset, click on the clip art, select this one, click OK. For the name, you can use arrow down, click Next, click Finish, and finally right click on drawable folder, click New, Vector Asset, click on clip art, select the fourth one, click OK, and for name you can use arrow underscore up, click Next, click Finish. So all 4 icons are imported in our project. Next, add an image button for top navigation. Image button. For layout underscore width, write 80 dp. For layout underscore height, write 50 dp. For background, add Android : color / white. For Android : src equals to, within double quotes, add drawable / arrow underscore up. For tag, within double quotes, write top. And for on click, use a method name that we will define in the Java file. Change snake direction. Close the tag. Add another horizontal linear layout to hold image buttons for left and right navigation. Linear layout. For layout underscore width, match underscore parent, and for layout underscore height, wrap underscore content. Orientation should be horizontal and gravity should be center. Image button. For layout underscore width, 80 dp, and for layout underscore height, 50 dp. For background, add Android : color / white. For Android : src, add drawable / arrow underscore left. For tag, right left. And for on click, write change snake direction. Close the tag. I'm going to copy this image button and paste below and change some attributes. Like here, this will be arrow right. For tag, we have to use right. Finally, add the image button for bottom navigation. Image button. For layout underscore width, again 80 dp, and for layout underscore height, 50 dp. For background, use @Android : color / white. For src, at drawable / arrow underscore down. For tag, write bottom, and for on click attribute value, write change snake direction. Close the tag, check the design. Okay. In the second image button, write layout underscore margin start 80 dp. Check the design now. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Next, we will write code for GameActivity. See you there.